This vlog is about a man commuting into the city for an errand to take care of a lock. It's literally just like it's an educational tale. There's popo over there flashing their lights. 3 popos, 4 popos, 5 popos, 6 popos. Not sure why this guy decided to make that move, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous Friday? It's a Friday morning and I'm just going for a little cruise to Manhattan, to Lower East Side, to take care of a thingy. Ooh, that is new. That is new. That green light was a new signal. Interesting. All right, and yeah, we're just going over Williamsburg Bridge, and the funny thing is it's warning me against it. It's telling me it's probably not the smartest place to go, but that's where we're going, and I guess we'll figure it out. It's telling me it's going to take 27 minutes, arrival time 9:42, but I don't think we will arrive that late. I think we'll be there just in time. We'll be there just in time. There's probably going to be some splitting to do, which is okay. And yeah, no real topic today unless something comes up. We're just kind of cruising. So yeah, I have to replace a lock at a tenant's place. I'm a bit of a landlord, you see. And I fixed this lock about 2 months ago, and I should have just freaking replaced it because I was already there, it was already out, and I decided to play those games, you know, the games of being resourceful and fixing things instead of just buying new shit, which is, you know, buying new shit is always nice. Well, anyway, 2 months later, that's what I ended up doing, buying a new lock. Now I have a new lock in my backpack, Martise lock, something like that. So yeah, I just got to pop it in. If all thank you. If all goes well, that's a 2-minute job. Well, no, I'd say it's a 10-minute job if all goes well. But if all doesn't go well, it'll take longer. We're just trying to go straight. These folks here are trying to go left, right, and center. 9:48. Uh-oh, they just added like 6 minutes to our arrival time, probably because of Williamsburg Bridge. Let's see what the issue may be. Beautiful morning. New York City has gorgeous weather yesterday and today, tomorrow, because we had this wet, cold, you know, hurricane situation, and then things turned nice, and now it's beautiful. This guy is literally gonna go in the middle. Please tell me not. And there we go. Now we're stuck. I should have went on the inside, but it's okay. We knew we were gonna get stuck. I knew this was coming, So let's just enjoy. Oh look, they're building on top of the domino factory. Gorgeous. Nice. Not sure why this guy decided to make that move, but I think that's probably it. There's not too many moves to be made around here. We're all kind of just stuck together. That guy on the motorcycle though, the inside was the way to go. The outside is pretty though. We'll get through. Apparently there's police in 1.7 miles. Not too impressed, not too worried. I guess I could like fold in my mirror, right? And like split up a little bit more. I guess I will. Nobody's upset, right? Look, the train is moving right along. I'm only 1.8 miles away. I'm so close. And it's going to take me 20 minutes to go next 1.8 miles. That is a criminal mischief. Boys and girls. I'm going to get up a little bit. Those fucking Jersey guys squeezing me. Nice. A couple of little baby moves. Why not? Thank you, sir. You're a gentleman and a scholar. I gotta turn down my choke. My bike gets a little too worked up in the morning. You're not gonna let me past, are you? Maybe, kinda, sorta. Not particularly. Oops, sorry, bro. You're totally fine. Thank you. Thank you, everybody who's contributing to this. To the sweetness. Big construction down there. Massive, huge. What are you doing, bro? Really? Now you're fucking doing that? Fucking amateur. Yes. There is traffic indeed. I just gotta get to the left lane here. And then we're gonna be alright. Gotta get over one more. I like this section the best. I'm not checking for motorcycles behind me. That was kind of reckless. Oh, that guy is way ahead of me. Nice. There's two motorcycles ahead of me. Adorable. We'll just kind of tuck in behind them. I'm not trying to scare anyone. Bro, you can't stop in the middle of splitting though. Bro, what are you doing? No? Son of a bitch. Immature activity. Thank you. .2 miles. I told them I'm gonna arrive at 9:30, and at this point there's a good chance I will. Maybe. Parking should be interesting. That area is always hit or miss with parking. You either get lucky or you don't. I'll pull up to over here. It's a big Yamaha my boy's got. It's a beautiful thing. All right, what do we got? Gotta take a right. I'm gonna take a right on the street over there. I'm in the left lane though. I desperately gotta get to the right. Are you changing the lane? That's what's happening? Good. Me too. Me too. Carvana. There's a speed camera here and red light camera, so let's just take it easy. Let's just take it easy. That's the thing, I used to frickin' some of the older vlogs, I used to really run through here. Not anymore. There we go. 9:32. We made up quite a bit of time. It wasn't as dramatic as the old Waze was trying to frighten me into. So this vlog was about patience and calmness. Did I call anybody a bad name? No, I don't think so. And if I did, I didn't mean it. So this vlog is about a man commuting into the city for an errand, to take care of a lock, you know, to take care of a broken lock scenario. Sorry, that was aggressive. So it's literally just like it's an educational tale more than anything. Have enough room here? Yes. This is a spicy maneuver. Go ahead, sir. Oops, sorry. Good Lord. Double parked. And then we got this. It's just you know, never a dull moment in this fair town. Now we just take a little left. It's okay. Wait a second, I just realized the signal is for me. Literally. There we go. We did it. We freaking did it. There's Popo over there flashing their lights. 3 Popos, 4 Popos, 5 Popos, 6 Popos. 6 Popos. And that's where I'm going. Probably going to be a stop over there, so we'll just spin about. We'll just spin about, nice and chill. This guy is super cool. Got some parking here. It's not a bad spot. Unless this is no parking on Friday, which is totally possible. Oh yeah, no parking on Friday. Literally said that. It seems like an appropriate place to leave a scooter. Yeah, I could park right here. It's fine. It's gonna be alright. Let's park right here in front of this car. They already got a ticket, so they're definitely not moving anywhere. You know? This thing. And I'm gonna be right here by the garbage. My brakes are squeaking, but everything will be okay. You know, not too concerned. Anyway, thank you as always for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.